Let's go straight to the point. Altcoins are simply all cryptocurrencies that are not Bitcoin. So Bitcoin belongs to the first category. It is the first cryptocurrency in the world, and every crypto after it is called altcoin. The word altcoin comes from alternative and coin, which basically represents alternative to Bitcoin. The reason behind that was that Bitcoin made up more than 95% of all cryptocurrency in the early years of crypto. So altcoins were a distinct minority and had no significance compared to the first cryptocurrency ever. Over the years, alternative cryptocurrency developed and grew in value. Today, altcoins make up the majority of the total crypto market capitalization. So why do altcoins exist and what is their purpose? It is sometimes misunderstood that altcoins are just copies of Bitcoin. Although some of the first altcoins, such as Namecoin, were very similar to Bitcoin, today things are very different. Altcoins provide services in some of the world's most important industries. What Bitcoin did to the financial industry, altcoins are doing to several industries. In the health industry, cryptocurrencies such as Mediblock and Humanscape offer patients an opportunity to own their health records. In entertainment, there are blockchains such as Data that offer decentralized video streaming. The list goes on and on. Their purpose is to create a better system for us to live in. Altcoins can be grouped in many categories because they have many use cases. For the purpose of this video, I will group them into 4 categories to make it more clear for you. One type of altcoins are stablecoins. The biggest stablecoins by market cap are Tether and USD Coin. Stablecoins are cryptocurrencies that follow the price of other assets, such as fiat currencies or precious metals. They aim to reduce volatility and act as a reserve or a collateral. Another type of cryptocurrencies are utility tokens. Utility tokens are cryptocurrencies that help funding the development of the project and can be used to buy something in the future. A good example would be Filecoin, a cryptocurrency that people buy in order to purchase storage space on decentralized network. There are also mining-based cryptocurrencies. Mining is a process of verifying transactions that also brings new coins to the circulation. Most mining-based altcoins use the proof-of-work consensus mechanism. Proof-of-work simply requires members of the network to expend processing power in order to solve mathematical puzzles to validate transactions. One example of such altcoin would be Litecoin, whose purpose is to provide fast and low-cost payments. And the last type of altcoins that I will mention are meme coins. As you can guess, meme coins are cryptocurrencies that started as a joke and typically have no purpose other than to create hype. The most popular examples would be Dogecoin and Shiba Inu. They depend on the popularity they gain from the crypto influencers such as Elon Musk, who is openly promoting Dogecoin adoptance. To sum up, currently there are more than 18,000 altcoins and there will be many more created. Unfortunately, most of them will disappear in the years to come. But the ones that survive will give incredible returns to the investors. I recently made a video on how you can earn on your crypto, and that involves primarily altcoins in the DeFi space, so be sure to check it out. And of course, if you want to see more content like this, be sure to smash the like button. See you soon.